There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. What did Susan B. Anthony do? What movement tried to end racial discrimination? What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Civil rights are guaranteed by the government for every citizen, no matter a person's race, gender, or religion. Susan B. Anthony was born in 1820. Women were not allowed to vote when Susan B. Anthony was alive. Slavery still existed while she was alive. Susan B. Anthony fought for civil rights to try to abolish or end slavery. She also fought to give women the right to vote. Susan B. Anthony died in 1906. The 19th Amendment was ratified. It was approved in 1920. The 19th Amendment gave women the right to vote. Many women are grateful for the work that Susan B. Anthony did. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in 1929. Slavery ended in 1865 after the Civil War, but segregation still existed into the 1900s. Segregation made it so that whites and African Americans were not allowed to go to school together. Discrimination made it so that African Americans were not allowed to eat in many restaurants or sit with white people. Martin Luther King Jr. fought for civil rights. He led peaceful protests, nonviolent protests, to fight for civil rights, to end segregation and racial discrimination. In 1964, the government passed the Civil Rights Act and protected voting rights and ended segregation. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. The 15th Amendment gave every male citizen of any race the right to vote. The 19th Amendment gave any citizen, man or woman, the right to vote. What did Susan B. Anthony do? She fought for women's rights, and she fought for civil rights. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? The Civil Rights Movement. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? He fought for civil rights, and he worked for equality for all Americans.